How do you feel?
I have a backache. I have a headache. I have an earache. I have a toothache. I have a stomachache. I have the flu. I have a rash. I have a fever. I have a cut. I have a cough. I have a sore throat. I have a broken arm. I have a broken leg. I have a blocked nose. I have a runny nose. I have a bruise. I have a diarrhea. I sneeze. I feel dizzy.
She has a stomachache. He has a backache. She has a runny nose. He has a toothache. She has a cut. He has a headache. She has an earache. He has a sore throat. She has a bruise.